para kumustahin ang mga shoutouts ng teammates natin online dito sa...
Ready, Tweet, Go!
Ang question for the day ay, anong new adventure ang gusto mong i-try for 2011? Arya?
Ayan, comment from Ned Gulaman. Ang new adventure ko ngayon, 2011, ay magpaka-busy sa bagong restaurant na tinayo ng mom ko. Gusto ko matutunan ng ins and outs ng business para pag nakagraduate ako ng college, ako naman ang magpo-put up ng sarili kong business.
Wow!
Wow.
Pupunta kami dyan sa restaurant mo.
Tawa. Oh, sige. Tapos yung kay Ayla Bunch, Bohol, super pinag-iipunan ko yan from my allowance since September last year. Sana naman matuloy na kami sa summer. Yay!
Tuloy
Tama
lang
ka
ang
na.
pag-chat sa aming teammates. Follow us on Twitter, add us on Facebook. Yes, pati studio audience natin, maraming new adventure na gustong i-try.
Yay!
Sino bang kachika nyo dyan?
Alright, bro. Ang sarap na na.
Oh!
Ned
Aaron.
Gulaman. Masarap yan. Anyway, guys.
Go!
Tatanungin natin ang ating studio audience kung anong new adventure ang gusto nilang matry this year, 2011. Okay. What is your name?
Sam.
Tem? Tem, anong gusto mong new adventure ang gusto mong itry this year, 2011?
I want to try and come back to the Philippines much more shout out.
Yeah! Favorite niya yung shoutout, ha? At alam ko, favorite niya si Sam. Oh, di ba? Enrique! Ikaw naman!
Alright, dito naman tayo! Hey guys! Ito. Ito talaga eh. Bilis. Halika, tayo na. Bilis na. Alright. Sige. Ano pangalan mo?
Fatima,
Fatima, taga-saan ka?
Sambuanga,
Oh, ito question Anong new adventures ang gusto mong gawin this 2011?
mayakap si Enchong!
Oy, Enchong!
Enchong!
Bilis!
Enchong, lapit ka dito.
Mamaya, isa lang. Sige
Ito.
na. Okay.
Enchong.
Bilis na, bilis.
Ayun, no?
Okay. Oy, Aaron.
Makikinig na yan.
Aaron, ito naman tanong natin ngayon, Aaron. Gusto
Okay.
niyo ba ang kiligin ngayong hapon?
Gusto niyo ba kiligin ngayong hapon?
Ano?
Alright, ito na ang prod na yay na talagang hinihintay nila at laging nilang nire-request. Kaya simulan na natin ang ating mga love teams na kilig din sa shoutout. Enrique, go
Ito
for
na
it.
sina Ivan, Trisha, Ryan, Jenny, James Devon, Brett Prissy, and Sam and CP!
If you love me like you tell me, please be careful with my heart. You can take it, just don't fake it, or my world will fall apart. You are my first romance, but I'm willing to take a chance that you like the thing, I'll still be loving you. I will be true to you, just a promise from you will do. From the very start, please be careful with my heart.
I love you and you know I do. There'll be no one else for me. Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see.
Love in a place I'm like up to be spoken, and I have had my heart badly broken.
I've been burned and I've been hurt before, so I know just how you feel. Trust my love is real for you. I'll be gentle with your heart, I'll caress it like the morning dew.
I'll be right beside you forever. I won't let our world fall apart. From the very start, I'll be careful with your heart. You are my
Susunod na ang pinakakulit na game in town. Sino-sinong teammate na naman ang Yeo Wale at sino ang mapupulbusan? Oras na para mag-wada sa pagbabalik ng Shout